Hello, welcome to this episode of YouTube tutorials on our journey through mathematics. Okay, so in this lesson, what we are going to do is we are going to go through word problem. Another mean or word for it is arithmetic problems, and this particular lesson is dedicated to word problems involving profits. Okay, all right, so let's start. A wholesale vinegar merchant bought 1,000 liters of vinegar at $2 a liter. So what this first statement here from the first side up to this side means is that with the 1,000 liters that the merchant bought, okay, he bought them at $2 each. Okay, so each, that's why he bought it. So and 250 liters of a more expensive vinegar. So he bought additional 250 liters, okay, of vinegar at a more expensive um he bought $250 liters of a more expensive vinegar. What the person means is that, or this statement means is that the person just bought additional 250 liter of vinegar, but then this time he bought them at a more expensive than the $2 each. Okay, so let's say y dollars, okay, that we don't know each. Now he mixed the two vinegar and then sold it for $3,200 altogether, making a profit of 25%. So here he just mixed them, and then the total selling price, okay, selling price is then equal to $3,200. Okay, that's how much he sold them. Okay, after mixing all of them, and then he made a profit of profit percent given here was 25%. That's what the person did. Okay, so our task here is to find how much he paid per liter for the more expensive vinegar. So we are looking for this quantity here, y. We're looking for that. Okay, so the first place what we can do is we can say that the cost price, so the cost price price for the 1,000 liters, okay, the cost price for the 1,000 liters is given by the total cost price. He bought each of them 1 liter. Per 1 liter he bought it like $2, so the cost price for the total 1,000 will be 2 times 1,000, okay, and that will be equal to $2,000. Okay, and then the cost price for, or the cost for the 250 liters, 250 liters, okay, is, we don't know that. That's what we are looking for per each. We don't know per each, so we'll calculate it by y times 250. So this is equal to 250y. That's the cost price. So we can say that the total cost price in all, is, let's say, x, and is equal to $2,000 plus 250y dollars. So this is our first equation. So we can name this as equation 1 and put it somewhere. Okay, so what happened is that, yes, we've gotten a first equation with a total cost price being equal to x, and that is equal to 2,000 plus 250y. Okay, now our task here is to find y. Okay, so let me divide it straight before we continue. So you are going to solve everything here. Now there's one thing you should know: the selling price has been given. Okay, the selling price is $3,000. Oh, sorry, $3,200. And in profit and loss mathematics, what happened is that the total cost price, okay, is always rated as 100%, and the selling price will be rated either higher than 100%, lower than 100%, or equal to 100%, depending on if the person made profit, loss, or didn't make any of these. He got the same amount he invested in. Okay, so always the cost price, which is our X, or always 100% is the money that we used. Okay, so the 100% will be equal to the cost price, the total cost price, and then if the person made a profit, then it means after selling the price that the person got, he got additional money, and that additional money is the 25%. So it means that the selling price will be 25% plus 100, and that the percentage for the selling price will be equal to 125%. That is corresponding to an amount of 3,200. So if 100% is equal to X and this is equal to 3,200, then what is X? So this is the case. 100% is smaller than 125% and is giving us X, and 125% is giving us 3,200. So the question is, are we going to get a lower price for the 100%? Yes, because the person made a profit. That's a normal logic here. If the person made the profit, then it means that the cost price should be less than the selling price. Okay, so here X will be equal to, if less, then more device. Okay, so we'll have 3,200 multiplying 100%, or 100 over 125%. Okay, or 125. And this, if you solve, you get X is equal to $2,560. Okay, so that's the total cost price together with the more expensive one and 1,000 letters, whatever. Okay, so now if X is equal to 2,560, then what is our Y? So we can just use this first equation we deduced from the whole word problem thing to find our Y. Okay, so X is now 2,500, so you just put it here, 2,560 being equal to 2,000 plus 250 Y. Then if you make Y the subject, Y will be equal to 2,560 minus 2,000 over 250. This is simple linear equation, so I hope you can understand this. And then our Y is now equal to $2.24, and this is greater than the $2 for the 1,000 liters. Okay, so the person said he bought the 250 liters at a more expensive price each. I hope you understand this. So yeah, this is your solution. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Actually, we are going to solve a series of questions with these kind of, problems in mathematics, and sometimes you may go into other field as well. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like my video, share, and also give a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you next time.